So this is a video of our robot, Zap, and so this first video is a video of Zap doing the race, I guess before it was optimized, so just a preliminary run, and then you can see that our robot still moves towards the line very quickly, just like it did in Lab 3. And so one of the things that we implemented, like you saw there, was our robot would stop if it didn't see a gate, if it didn't see the next gate, and it would turn in the direction that was specified in the text file. And once it saw that gate, it would then move towards it and match or follow the line that went between the gates. So sometimes so like again, you can see right here that our robot does stop because it doesn't see the gates and slowly turns, and once it does see it, then it moves towards the gates. And sometimes we did have a problem, like just then the robot would run into a gate even though it did see it. And to fix that, we just slow down the turning a bit for our robot so it would see the positions of the gates more accurately, and we also added a little bit of linear velocity in order to kind of counteract that vision problem. And so yeah, this next video here is our robot running the race when it was more optimized, the more final version of our robot. And if you saw there during the tape, it didn't follow the line exactly, and that's because we used our line following algorithm rather than following blobs. So it kind of followed the line, it followed parts of the line that were 2 steps ahead of it, and of course optimized the robot ran a lot more smoothly and didn't really pause to find any gates. So this video is actually just a video that we took just for fun. This is a POV video of our robot, so you kind of see what our robot's seeing as it moves through the course, and this is the same configuration that we had for the last video that you saw. It's pretty cool to see what the robot sees, and sometimes we had problems like right here. If you see, there are 2 orange gates that the robot could see, and one of the problems we had was our robot going towards the wrong gate. So we fixed that in our code, and as you can see, it's had no trouble going through the gates in the end. And then this last video here is, of course, our robot trying to run the race backwards. We had a little bit more trouble with this one just because in our algorithm we did not reset the gates, even though the robot saw another gate in the distance. So even though it didn't match, it would still go towards it because it's the only one it saw. Just like right here, it would see 2 orange-green gates, one close to it, which it's moving towards, and one which is the start line. And sometimes, and before it would go through the start line instead of the orange gate at the end. Here our robot's finally going through the correct gate, and that process was detailed in the report.